Hi eBay fans! Today we are selling this wonderful Remington Quiet-Riter portable typewriter from 1959. A lot of these were sold to both put into homes, and also college kids had these. I had one of these when I attended college back in the late 60s. And this is not the one I had, but this one is in excellent shape. It's portable in that it comes in a case, and as you can see with the case, this case looks like it's in excellent shape. It has the key. Difficult to find them with the keys. And so many of these were stored in basements that were damp, and the keys rusted, and the mold grew. You can see inside it's in excellent condition. All of the hardware, what little bit there is nice and shiny, and the interior fabric is in good shape. So as you can see, the case looks really good. Let me show you the hardware here. This locks nicely on the back. A lot of these cases have problems with the hinges. These hinges are in perfect order, and then also many times these can be missing. But all four of them are here. And then the stitching, they always seem to have problems with the stitching, but the stitching on this case is all intact and perfect. Now here is the typewriter itself. The keys are all there. They're all attached perfectly. The interior keys are really clean. The ribbon, you may want to replace this eventually. We can type with this. We can see the black. The red may have some issues and some spots on this. Of course, you can always rewind these and reuse them. But for less than $16, you can get a brand new ribbon that will specifically fit this typewriter. All of the mechanics work just fine. And we'll show you typing. And as you can see, buy me. So bid often, bid high. Might want to put a high bid in on this, because these are very popular, and they tend to sell pretty well. We have this as a buy it now, so take a look. And if you have any questions, just message us.